Hello guys, welcome back again. Into this tutorial I'm going to show to you how to create a glassy element or object on your image using Canva application. So go to your Canva, make a new project, and here on the blank page you need to insert the image that you want to edit. For example, I'm going to use this image from Canva, this one. Just put it on inside of the page like this and increase the size of it. And now the next step, you need to duplicate it and click this crop button. Click crop and click this aspect ratio. Use this free form crop, this one. Then you just need to move the size and position from the crop tools, just like that. And you finish, click done. And now the next step, you need to go to effect, this one. Go to effect and then click this blur effect. Click the blur effect and then click the whole image and increase the intensity of the blur. So for me, I'm going to increase it onto 50. Just type 50 on this bar and then go back, and now it's finished. When you finish, swipe left the toolbar again and then increase the corner rounding onto 50 like this, and then add a outline by clicking this style and then use this border and increase the border width onto the size that you want. For me, I'm just going to use 5. After that, now the next step, you need to change the color from the border onto a white color like this. And as you can see, this image is already have this glassy perspective object. And now the next part, if you want to make it more, you can go to element and insert a line onto the glass object. Just type line and then add a shape, this one, and positioning it in the position that you want. For me, I'm just going to put it here. Okay, and after that I'm going to adding more element onto it. So I would like to adding a dots element, this one, and then I think I'm going to use this one, and then change it the color onto a white color, decrease the size of it like this, and I will put it on this side. Send it to the back like that. I think I will change it a little bit dark, so it will be go to a gray color. Just like this. And then after that, you can adding a text onto this object, onto this element, this glassy element. But first, let me positioning the dots one more time. Okay, now you need to add a text onto it. So for me, I'm going to add a house, this one. Then change the font. I'm using this Eastman Grotowski. Positioning the font like this, increase the size of it and change the color onto white, just like that. And now it's done. That's the way how to add a glassy element or object inside of your image. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.